Honey never spoils due to its low water content and acidic pH. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Venus rotates clockwise, opposite to most planets. A teaspoon of neutron star material weighs 6 billion tons. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. Light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the sun to Earth. The shortest war in history lasted 38 minutes between Britain and Zanzibar. Polar bear fur is transparent, not white. Cows have best friends and experience stress when separated. Hot water freezes faster than cold water under certain conditions known as the Mpemba effect. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. Glass flows like a liquid over centuries, but modern glass is stable. Human DNA shares 50% similarity with bananas. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Wombat poop is cube-shaped due to intestinal structure. The Eiffel Tower grows 6 inches taller in summer due to thermal expansion. Sound travels 4 times faster in water than in air. Koala fingerprints are nearly identical to human fingerprints. Jupiter's Great Red Spot has been shrinking since the 1800s. Cleopatra lived closer to the moon landing than to the construction of the Great Pyramid. Butterflies taste with their feet. A single lightning bolt contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. The smell of rain, called petrichor, comes from soil bacteria. Your brain uses 20% of your body's oxygen despite being 2% of its weight. Saturn would float in water due to its low density. Tardigrades can survive in space's vacuum for days. Pineapples take 2 years to grow. The coldest natural temperature ever recorded on Earth is -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit in Antarctica. Caffeine works by blocking adenosine receptors in the brain. The moon is moving away from Earth at 3.8 centimeters per year. Sharks existed before trees evolved. Diamond rain occurs on Uranus and Neptune due to pressure. A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. Peanuts are not nuts, they are legumes. Humans share 60% DNA with fruit flies. Antarctica is the world's largest desert by area. The oldest known living tree is over 5,000 years old. Gold is edible and used in some luxury foods. Your stomach lining regenerates every 3 to 4 days. The Atlantic Ocean is widening by 2.5 centimeters yearly. A cockroach can live for weeks without its head. Pluto has ice mountains taller than the Rockies. Honeybees can recognize human faces. Neutrinos pass through your body at nearly light speed without interaction. The human nose can distinguish over 1 trillion scents. Grapes explode when microwaved due to plasma formation. The first computer programmer was Ada Lovelace in the 1840s. Mars has blue sunsets due to fine dust in its atmosphere. Lobsters communicate by squirting urine from their faces. The sun loses 4 million tons of mass every second. Some turtles breathe through their butts. The Earth's core is as hot as the sun's surface. Reindeer eyes turn blue in winter to improve vision in low light. The universe is mostly invisible dark matter and dark energy. A day on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. Cats cannot taste sweetness due to a genetic mutation. Hot pepper's spiciness is measured in Scoville heat units. The moon has moonquakes caused by tidal stresses. A single strand of spider silk is stronger than steel of the same thickness. Elephants cannot jump due to their bone structure. The deepest part of the ocean is 36,070 feet in the Mariana Trench. The human eye can detect a candle flame 30 miles away in perfect darkness. Helium is the only element that cannot be solidified at standard pressure. Some birds sleep while flying during long migrations. Quantum entanglement allows particles to instantly affect each other across distances. The total weight of ants on Earth equals the weight of all humans. Gut bacteria outnumber human cells in your body 10 to 1. The smell of freshly cut grass is a plant distress signal. Male seahorses give birth to offspring. Water expands when frozen, unlike most substances. The oldest light in the universe is the cosmic microwave background radiation. Snakes use their tongues to smell the air. Earth's oxygen comes primarily from ocean plankton, not trees. A lightning bolt can reach 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The Great Barrier Reef is visible from space. Humans shed about 600,000 skin particles per hour. The driest place on Earth, the Atacama Desert, has soil similar to Mars. Black holes emit Hawking radiation and slowly evaporate. Chameleons change color for communication, not camouflage. The speed of light, 299,792 kilometers per second, is constant in a vacuum. Some mushrooms create fairy rings by growing outward from a central point. The sun's gravity bends light from distant stars. Humans and giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae. The first animal in space was a dog named Laika in 1957. Blue whale hearts weigh 1,300 pounds and can be heard 2 miles away. Saturn's rings are 90% water ice. A single cloud can weigh over 1 million pounds. Axolotls can regenerate entire limbs and spinal cords. The Coriolis effect causes hurricanes to spin counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere. Atoms are 99.999999999% empty space. The world's quietest room absorbs 99.99% of sound. Venus has super-rotating winds that circle the planet every 4 days. Your taste buds regenerate every 10 days. Some fish species change sex during their lifetime. The Andromeda Galaxy is on a collision course with the Milky Way. A single teaspoon of soil contains more microorganisms than people on Earth. The placebo effect can trigger real physiological changes. Jupiter's moon Europa has twice as much water as Earth. Kangaroos cannot walk backward due to their tail shape. The oldest known fossil is 3.5 billion years old. Credits, script by your name or channel name if provided.